I want to speak English but I don't have anyone to practice with. अगर ये लाइन आप भी बोल चुके हो then this video is for you because it was exactly me. Yes, no partner, no English environment, बस एक wish. I want to speak confidently. And this is where ChatGPT became the starting point of my English journey. Yes, you know, earlier I used to wait. I thought जब कोई मिलेगा तब प्रैक्टिस करूँगी. But honestly, that day never came. And then one thing I realized, confidence doesn't come first, practice comes first. Yes. पर उसके लिए ना मुझे एक सेफ स्पेस चाहिए था जहाँ पर मैं गलतियाँ कर सकूँ, वो भी बिना जज हुए. And ChatGPT gave me that space. So hello everyone, my name is Harsha. I am from Gujarat. Today I will teach you how I learned English with ChatGPT and what actually worked for me and how I did step by step. So let's jump into our first step. You know, the first week I kept it super simple. Yes, I didn't use ChatGPT like a strict teacher. I used it like my English partner. Yes, don't use it like your teacher. Use it like your English partner. I said things like, "Hey, can we just have a casual chat today?" I talked about my day, how it went, what I ate, how was I feeling, and honestly, first 2 or 3 days I felt awkward. Yes, I was thinking, am I doing it right? Is it even helping? But after 1 week, I realized for the very first time I was speaking in English every single day. Yes, even just 10 or 15 minutes, but I was speaking in English. And ChatGPT replied, "You are doing well, your sentence is clear." So, that one line, "you are doing well," is a powerful line for a beginner. If you are a beginner, you can resonate with me. So, ChatGPT doesn't even correct your mistake, it motivates you. Now, let's talk about second week. It's about vocabulary. What I did earlier, I used to think I don't have enough vocabulary. But the problem was not less vocabulary. The real problem was unused vocabulary. Yes. So I stopped learning random words. I asked ChatGPT for simple daily use words which I can use in my life. For like confused, excitement, tired, comfortable, and then I used it in my own sentence. Not 20 words, just 4 to 5 words, but daily. And that's how words stay in our mind. What I did third week, I didn't practice with big topics. I practiced my daily routine. Yes, whatever I was doing, like cleaning, planning, thinking, I started express it in English. Like, I am tired today. I will do it later. I'm not feeling good. So I started my thoughts express in English. And ChatGPT helped me to say my thoughts in English, not like bookish language. Now let's talk about fourth week. Earlier my mind worked like that. First Hindi thoughts, then English sentences, and then confusion. With ChatGPT, I stopped translating word by word. I started explaining feelings and situations. I asked ChatGPT for, like, I want to say no, but politely. I am upset, but I don't want to sound rude. And ChatGPT gave me 3 to 4 alternatives. Yes, and it helped me with my tone and expression. And that made English feel natural. And honestly, guys, I want to say something. Today, yes, I also practice with my co learners and my partners, but that confidence came later. ChatGPT helped me to reach a level where I was ready to speak with people. So ChatGPT wasn't my destination, it was my bridge. And ChatGPT didn't change me overnight. Some days I felt boring, some days I felt awkward, but I showed up daily, even for 10 to 15 minutes. And that consistency changed everything. So, guys, practice and consistency is the key. And if you are also at your starting stage and you don't know how to practice English, ChatGPT can help you to begin. And yes, if you want to know what to ask ChatGPT and how to practice vocabulary and speaking, so comment below ChatGPT. I will make next video on that. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. See you.